Watch the line on track 1. Hold steady, bring it forward slowly. The lateral cracking here indicates poor compaction. Agreed. Note that down. Let's check the next 100 meters. Ensure the black tones are consistent as it speeds up. Confirmed. Material looks good on this side. Look at the quality of this output. The color is holding steady. It looks good. The efficiency upgrades are paying off. I'm flagging a minor anomaly on the thread pattern here.
I've noted it. It's still within acceptable parameters. Proceed with batch.
The sidewall integrity looks good. Lift the IO. We need to create a stack. All right, moving it now. There's a noticeable imperfection right here.
Right. Yes, I see the mark. It needs to be discarded.
The density is consistent with the text. Yeah. And the black tone saturation is holding steady across the line.